The first thing to consider when animating eyes is how they should open and close. As simple as it is, it's easy to accidentally make the eyes move around on the head. To prevent this, remember that while the eyelids move, the tear duct corner here will always stay in place, so no matter how open or closed the eyes are, this point remains in the same spot. With this in mind, animating a good blink is much easier, but another common mistake almost every beginner makes is using a bunch of frames and making a very slow blink. If you blink right now, you'll notice that it happens very quickly, so it depends on what frame rate you're animating with, but you should really just use 2 or 3, maybe 4 frames for the blink. 1 frame with the eyes completely open, 1 completely closed, and 1 or 2 with the eyes somewhere in between. This feels much better. In some cases where the eyes are opened quickly, like if a person is surprised, you can overshoot them, including a frame just before the final one where the eyes are extra wide. This gives them a bit of a bounce. Also here, notice the change of the iris size. Use the iris size to show emotion. Most often, this change occurs with a blink. Also, the movement of the irises can show thought or emotion, really bringing the character to life. This can be very subtle, like a slight twitch, or more extreme, like looking off to the side. Don't forget to add eyebrow movement into the mix as well. When bringing the eyebrows down, you can add a slight line under each eye to enhance the expression. When the head is turned to different angles, the shape of the eyes will probably change quite a bit. This requires some understanding of the structure of the face, which I have other videos for. From the side, it'll probably be easiest to use this corner of the eye as the stationary point, rather than the tear duct. Think of the eye from this point of view as like an angle in geometry. Often, movement of the eyes is accompanied by movement of the head. Try different combinations to see what works, and you're on your way to animating characters that feel genuine and expressive. I have a video on face structure and on drawing eyes, so you can find even more tips and tricks to help you out there. Thanks for watching!